Tulog siguro si asawa. Tingnan ko na yung kwarto. Nakasara. If nakasara means natulog siya. O may ginagawang milagro.
Good morning, guys. I need to brush my hair.
Mag-mixing na ko yung mascara.
If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on.
Some people are wearing.
He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time to laugh and time to eat.
Careful, my love.
Favorite song is on repeat.
I'm learning how to cook.
Drinking wine until the dawn.
Pancake. Only one. It was delicious. So now I don't have any more to eat, so I have to do this. It's very sad. I'm depressed. Stop. Pooping. It's raining. Mommy, I'm done reading.
Okay.
Now what do I do? Stanley, people found him.
Guys, hapon na dito. Mag-aalas 3 na. Yung dalawa is ko sila guys, pinaglilinis ko ng floor. Pinagbabacuum ko si Brianna. And then si Liam, ko din guys, mamap ko sa floor. Ito na yung banana cake natin. Super yummy yung tignan guys. Ay, look at this. Hiwain natin guys kasi tikman natin. Next time, share ko sa inyo paano paggawa nito guys. Coconut pala yung ginamit ko nito. Coconut, yung ginamit ko nito is coconut milk. Look at this guys. Ooh, it's so moist. I want to show you something guys. What are you doing? Nilagyan ko siya ng walnut. And then chocolate.
We were trying to scare you.
Chip.
Can I try some?
It's so good. Here, come here. No, over here.
I don't like bananas thingy.
Over here.
I'm just gonna eat this. Do you like it, Liam? I don't like it, so
I'll bring some to Buena Kitty.
so like you mixed it up. You mixed it up with the bananas.
Mm.
Oh, is that why it's like brown color? Because it has to be ripe.
Sarap niya. Yung mga batang kinakain yung chocolate chips.
Yeah. Has Eden and
Super
Alex
moist niya guys.
Has Eden and Alex tried it before? Do they like it?
Yeah.
With chocolate?
It's so good. Hi guys! Good morning! Continuation to ng vlog natin yesterday. I-on ko muna yung alarm. Continuation pala to ng vlog natin yesterday guys. Today is Monday. So, one of my friend dito sa Arizona is invited me for lunch. Yung friend ko na nagpunta dito last Monday na hindi na ako nag-vlog. So ito is, sabi niya magla-lunch daw kami. Lalabas ko muna itong binigay ni Grandma. Kasi kahapon nagdala ako ng food ni Grandma. And then may mga abubot-abubot siyang binigay sa akin, ilabas ko. Saka yung mga yung pinaglagyan ko ng mga food ba. Ito siya guys, hugasan ko pa yan. Bakit may agua oxinada? Dinadalhan pa ako ng kahit ano na lang yung mga ipabit-bit niya sa akin ng mga basura sa bahay niya. Sa akin naman tinatanggap ko na lang yung iba, tinatapon ko, yung iba kinikip ko. Kasi pwede pa naman magamit. Okay guys. Wait. Ayan. Aga-aga pa naman guys, punta muna ako ng Marshalls. Kung may akong magustuhan doon na murang mga kailangan din sa bahay o kailangan ko. Matagal na rin ako hindi nakapagbisita sa Marshall guys. So punta muna tayo ng Marshall saglit. At ako'y magdadrive muna. Wala pa akong pangpatong nitong na to, camera na to or something na pwede ko siyang mailagay ba na mag-steady na hindi siya malaglag. So yeah, punta tayo ng Marshalls. Home. Si Mr. nandito na. Hindi ko distribuhin, baka nagpahinga. Yung friend ko, super nice. Binigyan niya ako ng yung booklet para sa tirhan ni Grandma. Pumuntahan niya talaga doon. Shout out to Wendy. So we have got another one, Brookdale Senior Living Care. Natulog siguro si asawa. Tingnan ko na yung kwarto. Nakasara. If nakasara means natulog siya. Oh, may ginagawang milagro. Tulog. So, after our lunch, guys, nakalibre ako ng lunch thanks Wendy. Nilibre niya ako ng lunch, guys. Ito yung pinamili ko from Safeway. So, gatas niya ni Brianna. Kasi naubusan na pala. Nanghingi siya kanina ng chocolate milk. Wala akong maibigay kasi tinamad akong pumunta na kahapon ng supermarket. Ayan, grapes daw. Sabi ni Brianna, ito daw yung snacking niya mamaya after going to Kumon kasi nga may practice siya mamaya for soccer. Blueberries. Ang lalaki ng blueberries nila, guys, oh. Then, half and half. Speaking of half, mag-coffee ako, guys. I need coffee. Kanina ko pag gusto mag-coffee, naubusan ako ng Nespresso. Kaya, bumili ako nito, oh. Pads ng Starbucks. And then gloves para maghuhugas ako. Hindi naman lahat nilalagay ko sa dishwasher. Ito, pang Listerine. And then baliktad ako, guys. Nung time pa na ang daming lemon ni Grandma, hindi ako masyado sa lemon. Ngayon na nawala ng lemon si Grandma, ito. Umiinom na ng ganito, guys, yung tubig ko. Nilalagyan ko na ng lemons at saka cucumber. Lagay ko muna ito. Natin. Hindi ko alam, guys. Gumawa ako ulit kahapon ng ng taho. Hindi pa rin siya matigas. Ay, malambot pa rin siya, guys. Ano pa yung pangpatigas ng taho? Uulitin ko ulit. Hindi ako titigil hanggat hindi ko siya guys, ma-perfect. Ito pala yung pang ni Brian na maglagay ako nito sa fridge isa. Inaano niya lang to, guys, pag daw, yung parang Gatorade ba. Ayan, electrolyte siya. Lalagay ko siya sa Bumili na rin ako ng case, nilagay ko sa kabilang fridge. Ito naman is itago ko yan. Kasi pag makita ko ni Brian na araw-arawin to, guys. Gawa tayo ng kape. Yung lemon ko, ilagay ko sa lagayan ng lemon. Bibili sana ako ng ng bananas. Baka hindi na naman makain. Gagawin ko na naman siyang banana cake. Speaking of banana cake, yung kalahati, binigay ko kay Bianan. Super natuwa siya, guys. Ngayon, kakain tayo nito with coffee. Kasi yung in-order ko doon sa Yutaka is salad na may crabs at saka shrimp. Gawa tayo ng kape, guys. Naubusan na talaga ako ng pads. So, ito lang, mag-order pa ako. Kasi pag nag-order kami through website ng Nespresso or sa Amazon, ito is from Sumatra. Nakabili din ako kanina, guys, ng sa Marshalls. Hindi ko na siya kasi lang naman yun, guys. Chips lang. And yung potato, sweet potato na chips yung ko doon. Konting pang-workout clothes ko. Yun lang naman yung nabili ko sa Marshalls. Hindi ko na siya kasi tatago ko pa yun. Baka kasi mahuli ako dito na. Yung binili ko hindi naman need, want lang. Although wala naman ako reklamo kasi hindi naman yung nagre-reklamo, no? Pero nakakahiya ba, no? Nag-shopping naman ako. Hindi naman ako mag-asta, guys. Minsan-minsan lang. Bumibili din ako. Pero hindi ko, yung lantaran talagang ina-unboxing sa harap ni Mr. Nakakahiya naman. Yung asawa ko pabalik-balik yung sinina, yung damit. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Para siyang asawa ni Alex Gonzaga. Ganun kasimple si asawa ko. Wala siyang patik. Kahit yung damit niya, pabalik-balik. Okay lang sa kanya yun. Patay ng patik. Tignan niyo yung ano kanya ito. Super moist ng banana bread. Mas naging moist siya ngayon. Ayan. Natawa ko sa asawa ko, guys. Nung ano pa siya, sabi niya, kanina tumawag siya, pero kahapon nag-usap kami, sabi niya, may surprise ako sa iyo, sabi niya gano'n. Hindi ko naman alam kung ano yung surprise niya, no? So, kaninang umaga, nagtaka ako, I'm getting ready na going to, i-meet yung friend ko. Tumawag siya, sabi niya, hey, I'm done na. Oy! Say hi, come on! I will share it to them that you cannot keep a secret, just like Liam.
Well, no, I told you because I couldn't buy it.
What?
So
Yeah.
I just wanted to tell you that I was supposed to surprise you with the gift.
You should do that.
Well, they didn't have it available. I couldn't pick it
Oh.
up. I could get you an iPhone 16 Pro, but not the Pro Max.
Oh, okay.
Don't you want the Pro Max?
Yeah, you should tell them there. Put it on your clothes.
Yeah, I wanted you to get the Pro Max, but maybe it's
Yeah.
not available yet.
Eh, hindi pa daw available yung Pro Max. Balat niya daw kung bilhan, surpresahin ng phone. Pero hindi na surpresa kasi sinabi niya na, guys. Kain tayo. Ayan. Kaya ito yung gusto kong mag-bake, guys. Pero ito yung pinaka-ayaw ko. Yung ako lang kakain ba. Kasi si Brianna, hindi to bet ni Brianna. Hindi masyado si Brianna sa mga bake-bake. Si Liam lang. Pati bread. Hindi din nagustuhan ni Liam. Kasi daw may walnuts. Pero gusto to ni Liam pag walang walnuts. Guys, super moist. Mas masarap talaga ang banana cake pag tag-anuhan mo na pag
What cake is that?
banana cake. I baked this one. I give some to Grandma. Okay, tell them. Share it to them.
Yeah, I was gonna get the iPhone 16 Pro Max as a surprise,
Yeah.
but it's not available for pickup.
It's
It
not
has to
surprise.
be, huh?
It's not a surprise anymore. He already
Well,
told
no,
me.
because I wanted to surprise you, but I figured if we're gonna have to order it for delivery, I want you to pick out the color you want and everything.
Okay.
Because I was gonna just choose for you just something that I thought you would like, but
Thank
if
you.
it's not available, I'd rather have you choose it. Because I could have ordered it and have it delivered
Yeah.
when we get back from Tahiti, but I don't. I want, since we're gonna have to order it, I want you to be able to choose exactly what you want. You know.
Where's my hand?
So
I
that's
want
it,
to
guys.
smell
See,
you.
I probably stink, sweaty. You've been sweating. Did you get your voter ID yet?
No.
No?
I did not.
Oh, did you go somewhere
I know.
good now?
Wendy.
Is that Claudius?
Wendy.
Oh, that's one of the places they look
Yeah,
at.
I like that one. And
Yeah, I'm gonna make some coffee.
hi guys. Sunduin na namin yung dalawa. Sinunduin na sila ni Mr. Karina.
You're not
Going
bringing
to
that?
from school, going to Kumon, and after 1 hour na naman, sunduin na naman namin sila para sa soccer practice ni Brianna. Parang medyo talaga mas mainit siya ngayon compare last year. Are you gonna bring the other chair?
There's two in there, right?
I'll just put one.
I put two in there.
Oh, okay, okay.
Four. Did you take one out?
No, I did not. Just want to make it sure. Okay, two.
Put,
Yeah,
yeah, I put that in there.
yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Oh, I put this trash.
Ayan, busy ang buhay sa Amerika. Lalo na pag yung mga kids mo, maraming mga aktibidades na inaatinan. Like our kids. Lalo na siguro pag sa Pinas kami guys, mas maano sila. Mas lalong magiging busy. Mainit siya ngayon. Papakita ko sa inyo yung practice ni Brianna. Yung magiging games na pala niya, challenge nila ng ano na, every Saturday na yung game, which is same day din ng game ni Liam. Kasi sabi niya, Mami, so show to our subscribers daw yung ano nila, yung ano, kung paano daw siya maglaro. So far, so good maglaro si Brianna.
Yeah, maybe I'll reach out. I think Jen might come on and stuff, so I'll ask her. Yeah. Don't stand in the ball, that would be roll. Touch the ball.
Yes! She did a sweet jump. She's the only one that's running.
Have you move up?
Good job! Go get it, Pa! Stay!